Imagine one morning you wake up and you realize you have a white patch on your face. You don't pay much heed to it. The next day, that white patch has spread and a new one has appeared. And as days pass by, you realize you are losing pigment from other parts of the body, and then the panic sets in. This is the fear in which people affected by a skin disease called vitiligo live with. Fear of not knowing when or where a new patch has appeared. Fear of change in their appearance. Vitiligo is the world's largest pigmentation disorder, affecting nearly 100 million people worldwide. It is an autoimmune disorder wherein your body's own immune cells start killing melanocytes, the color-producing cells of the body, leaving behind a white patch. For millions, vitiligo isn't just a skin condition. It is fear. It is stigma. It's wondering, will I be accepted? Will I get married? How will people look at me? At Ahammune Biosciences, we believe no one should live in the shadow of a skin disorder or the stigma that follows it. Hi, I'm Dr. Parul Ganju, co-founder and CEO of Ahammune Biosciences, wherein our mission is to enrich the life of patients throughout the world by removing the fear and the stigma that comes associated with skin diseases. And we are doing so by providing these patients with new and comprehensive treatment strategies. The problem is that vitiligo doesn't go away. It's a lifelong disorder. Until now, there is no cure for it. Doctor-prescribed options, mostly steroids, are there only to manage the disease. Long and expensive treatment cycles and frequent relapses. And for the patients, the emotional toll is constant. Clearly, there's a huge lacuna in the field of vitiligo therapeutics. And this is where we come in. Our scientists have identified a new pathway that leads to the trigger of autoimmunity in skin. And we have designed and developed small molecule therapeutics platform to target this pathway. Using this platform technology, we have identified a new chemical entity that we call AB1001 as a potential new treatment for vitiligo. This first-in-class small molecule has been designed as a topical, non-steroidal therapy and can not only stop the spread of the white patches, but also bring back normal skin color. All this while being very safe. In simple words, we are not just managing vitiligo. We are targeting its triggers and restoring the balance in the skin's immune system. Vitiligo therapeutics is a $3.5 billion global market which is rapidly growing. And because it is a chronic and relapsing condition, a safe topical therapy creates a recurring, sustainable treatment opportunity. And this is just the beginning for Ahammune Biosciences. We are extending our platform technology to multiple autoimmune skin diseases, including atopic dermatitis, another chronic disease affecting about 20% of children and 3% of adults, thus expanding impact of our science across dermatological conditions. We've already achieved key global development milestones. Our phase 1 clinical trials have been completed successfully. Our preclinical studies have shown compelling efficacy. Our manufacturing is ready, and we are now moving forward with the initiation of our phase 2 trials. Moreover, our patents protect our novel approach across major global markets. Our work is led by a world-class scientific and clinical team, including experts in immunology, pharmaceuticals chemistry, dermatology, and drug development. We are supported by reputable investors and expert advisors from global pharma and biotech. At Ahammune, we don't just see white patches, we see individuals and dreams waiting to be restored. With AB1001, we are not just developing a therapy, we are giving people their natural skin tone, their confidence, and their life back. Join us in bringing hope, dignity, and true healing to the patients living with skin diseases everywhere.